Do you want lash clusters but don't know how to apply them? Well, you first need a lash cluster kit. This one I'm using is the Figo DIY eyelash extension kit. It comes with everything. First, you are going to curl your lashes. As a beginner, you can also tape your under lashes so they don't get stuck to your upper lashes when you're applying the bond. Then you're going to use the tweezers that come with the lash kit, and you're going to pick up the lash clusters from the root as shown in the video. To get a long-lasting experience with lash clusters, I like to apply the bond onto the lash clusters also. When you apply the lash clusters from the root, you want it to be placed right where your natural lashes start. Once you applied all the cluster lashes to your natural lashes, you are going to clamp your cluster lashes to your natural lashes. Now you're going to seal your cluster lashes. Now you're all done. To experience the DIY eyelash extensions with no lash tech needed.